This is a very good mobile. Brightness also very good. We have took 8 plus 128 GB. The back looking very gorgeous. Triple setup camera. Camera also good. Screen is very fluid. If I go to Netflix, someone. Colors also very well reproduced. I go to settings. Still 8 hours 33 minutes are there. I'm using details usage. It was almost 1 day 8 hours 45 minutes full battery. If you look at it, is the screen on time as of now 5 hours 15 minutes and more 8 hours to go, 8.5 hours to go. It is very battery saver, and we have good camera setup also. If you look at we have different good camera setup.